Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Canva background remover. So if you want to use the Canva background remover, it's really easy to do. So all you have to do is open up the design you want to remove the background of. So let's say I want to remove the background from this image. If you don't know how to open up this design interface, if you go to the home page, just click on create design, add custom size here, or just import your image, and then you're going to be able to use Canva background remover. So once you are here in this image editing interface, all you have to do is click on your image you want to remove the background of, then click on edit photo. Here you will see background remover. So you have to keep in mind is that this is a Canva Pro feature because you can see this crown icon here. But if you use the link in the description below, you can get a 14-day free trial of Canva Pro and remove the background during the Canva Pro free trial. And if you do not want to use Canva Pro again, you just cancel your subscription. But if you want to remove the background of this image, all we have to do is click on background remover here. And as you can see, the background has been removed. If you want to make sure that this photo doesn't have a white background, one thing you have to keep in mind is that when you download it, make sure that transparent background is turned on, so the background won't be white, but it will be transparent. So all in all, this is how you can use the Canva background remover and remove backgrounds for free. As I mentioned, all you have to do is use the Canva free trial link in the description below. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.